Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We have to figure out what are the factors of x power 4 plus 4. Here we have x power 4, that is kind of x square whole square. Right, and there is 4. 4 is actually 2 square. So something related to square, we can do something about this because this is square of square and this is some square. Let us see what we can do. Right, x power 4, let us take the same thing and add 1 4x square and subtract the same 4x square. Right. What does it become? It becomes x power 4 plus 4x square plus 4. This left part is actually x square plus 2 whole square, right? X square plus 2 whole square is, right? A plus b whole square. So minus 4x square, which is actually equals 2x whole square. So x square plus 2 whole square minus 2x whole square. This is in the form of a square minus b square, which becomes a plus b times a minus b, which is x square plus 2x plus 2 times x square uh, minus 2x or plus 2 minus 2x, which is x square minus 2x plus 2. We can further factor this also if needed, but in this question it is not asked. In this question it is asked which one of this is a factor. Right? Clearly x square minus 2x plus 2 is a factor. If you want, we can still simplify this into two more. Probably we'll get a real roots or complex roots, but still we'll be able to figure out all the four ones. Probably b square minus 4ac, 2 square 4 minus 8, this becomes complex. Right, again, this one also will become complex. We'll get complex roots only. Right, guys? But still, this is the way to factorize. We have cleverly added 4x square and subtracted 4x square to get this in this form. Right, guys? Thank you.